Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to use Clevercards a gift cards tutorial. So if you're not familiar with Clevercards, so this is actually their website and it is a prepaid digital MasterCards that you can send instantly. So this is easy online ordering, accepted anywhere, plus tax-free up to 1,000, and you could say goodbye to all the hassles of distributing physical gift cards. So you could just do this one as an online gift. You'll just have to go to order it online or request a callback for this one. So this card is a one card for all payouts and expenses. This is tax-free benefits, employee allowances, business expenses. So you could order and send Clever Cards prepaid Mastercards instantly, and you could configure to suit all business needs and spend anywhere worldwide. So how does it works? You'll just need to select the quantity and value of the digital cards you want to order, pay by card or bank transfer, then send in bulk instantly by email, WhatsApp, or Facebook, or schedule the delivery for a special date, and then recipients can spend online or add to their mobile wallet and spend in store. And you could just order now already or talk to them onto their website so that you could go ahead and avail this Clever Cards gift cards. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.